Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this easy spinach recipe, and if you guys are ready, let's get started. So in this pan, I'm adding some avocado oil and I'm heating it at medium high. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some diced onions. This is yellow onion. I'm gonna leave everything in the description below for all the ingredients. So we're gonna saute them for about 2 minutes. And after that, we are going to go ahead and add some garlic powder and some smoked paprika. And you wanna go ahead and mix everything together. So next we went ahead and added some tomatoes, and we are going to go ahead and continue cooking until they become paste-like. So next you want to go ahead and add your spinach. I'm using the whole pack of that spinach. So after pushing our vegetables down, we are going to go ahead and at least add just a little bit of water. And this should be about 1 tablespoon of water. So this is going to help it steam. So after for about 1 minute, you want to go ahead and continue just mixing everything until everything shrinks, as you guys can see over here. So next we are going to go ahead and add some salt for taste. So this is the end, guys. I went ahead and mixed everything together and I let it steam for about 2 minutes. And after that, guys, it was done. It was delicious as usual. So the smoked paprika part was suggested by AI, because normally I always make my vegetables the way with tomatoes and onions. So thank you for watching my channel. I will definitely see you next time when I make something new. Bye.